Welcome to the WordPress Ultimate Security channel. In this video, we're going to cover exactly what happens when you don't update outdated plugins and how to protect your site using Ultimate Security. Outdated plugins are the #1 entry point for hackers. When developers find a security hole, they release an update to patch it. If you don't update, that hole stays open for anyone to exploit. To get started, make sure you have installed Ultimate Security. On the dashboard, you can see an alarming notification for outdated plugins. While it looks like a simple maintenance task, an outdated plugin is often a vulnerable plugin that opens your site to hackers. So at first, we need to configure our scanner to ensure we're catching every potential threat. Navigate to the Vulnerability Scanner tab and click on API Settings. Here, we'll enable the scanner. To get the most accurate data, you'll need to link a database. Here, we are entering a WPS Scan API key and clicking Validate to ensure it's active. We have Patch Stack API settings so you can choose your preferred one. Schedule your scanning routine as well. We also recommend toggling on email notifications. This ensures that the moment a plugin on your site becomes a risk, you'll get an alert sent directly to your inbox. Once your settings are configured, hit Save Settings. Now, let's see the real-time status of your site. Click Scan now. Ultimate Security is now cross-referencing your installed plugins, themes, and WordPress core against thousands of documented security flaws. The scanning time may vary on your site's data. As the scan is completed, you can see Ultimate Security has flagged some issues. Down in our plugin list, a plugin is highlighted in red as vulnerable. Because this plugin was outdated, it became a confirmed security hole. This is exactly how sites get compromised by ignoring that simple update prompt. Don't wait. Ultimate Security allows you to take action immediately. Remember, not all outdated plugins are vulnerable or a threat. Click Update in the scanner. By keeping your plugins up to date, you close security gaps before hackers can find them. Stay updated, stay secure. Download the Ultimate Security plugin, link in description. If you found this video helpful, give us a like and subscribe to the channel for more tips. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you in the next video.